let's draw the diagram of XOR gate. As we know, the Boolean equation of XOR gate is y is equal to A XOR B, or we can write this equation as A bar B plus A B bar. This is the equation of XOR gate, and we know the symbol of XOR gate. This is the symbol of XOR gate. It having A, B and Y. So this is the symbol of XOR gate and this is the equation of XOR gate. So how we can draw the diagram of this XOR gate? For this diagram we require what? We require two inputs, A and this is B. A and B. For this A bar we require one NOT gate. So we have to connect here one NOT gate. And B we require, so this is our B. Now here no symbol is there, so we can consider it as a dot product. So dot means which gate? Dot means a AND gate. So we have to connect here AND gate. So I am drawing the block diagram of this, not a circuit diagram. So we want here one AND gate. Then this is A. So we want here A. This is A. And this is what? B bar. So this is the B. And with that we want one NOT gate. And this is here, bubble is there. So we want again a AND gate over here. Then these two terms are added. Added means what? We want one OR gate. So here these two terms are added with joined with a OR gate. So this is what? OR gate. Now this is the block diagram of this XOR gate. But we want to draw this diagram with help of what? With help of a universal gate. So we'll draw the diagram. Here what we want? We want a NOT gate, AND gate, AND gate and a OR gate. Okay. So we'll draw the diagram using, first we'll draw the diagram using NAND gate. So here we can write which gate we want first. We want a bar means NOT gate we require. Okay. Then we require a AND gate. Then we require a OR gate. Okay. So two NOT gates with two AND. Now we want to draw this diagram by using what? By using NAND gate. So first of all, see, this is the complement. Complement means what? This is A and this is B. A and B. Now this is complement. Complement means what? NOT gate. So here we want a NOT gate using what? Using a NAND gate. So this is a, here we got AB. Okay. Now here what? Dot product is there. Dot means what? Dot means we want a AND gate. So here, and AND gate means we want a AND gate but not a proper AND gate. What we want? We want a AND gate using NAND gate. So here this is the NAND gate, and if you connect one NOT gate to that, then we'll got a AND gate. So this is the diagram of this term, that is A bar dot B, and this is the whole diagram for what? This term. Okay. Now we want A dot B bar. So we took A, this is our A, and from here we took B, but here to this B, what we want? We want B bar. So we have to connect here one NOT gate using NAND gate. Then here we got, this is A and this is a B bar. Now this is a dot product. Dot means what? Dot means a AND gate over there. So what we have to do? We have to connect this with this AND gate. So this is the So again we got this AB bar, and with these two terms we can join with this AND gate. So this much is the diagram of what? This is the diagram of AND gate. Okay, and here this is diagram of AND gate. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two. Add means what? We have to use OR gate. Using what? NAND gate. So as we draw the diagram of OR gate using what? OR gate using NAND gate. How we can draw the diagram of OR gate using NAND gate? Here we want what? First of all, we want one NOT gate. NOT gate means bubble. As we remember the De Morgan's theorem, in that De Morgan's theorem, we want what? OR gate using NAND gate. And we know OR gate is equal to what? NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. Okay, bubbled AND gate, and this bubbled AND gate we have to draw, and with that bubble, in this way we can get what? We can get a bubble AND gate, and to that bubble AND gate we have to add one NOT gate. So this is the diagram of NOR gate, and if this bubble AND gate we add one NOT gate, then we got the diagram of what? Then we got the diagram of OR gate. Okay, so this is the rough work. Now what we have to do? We want bubbled, and this is AND gate with one NOT gate. So we'll draw the diagram. So here this is the NOT gate. Again this is the NOT gate, and with this NOT gate we have to connect what? We have to connect the diagram of this AND gate. So we got this AND gate. Okay, and to this AND gate we have to connect what? We have to connect one NOT gate. So again we have to connect one NOT gate. Then finally what happens? This NOT gate will cancel each other, and we got the diagram this much. So this much is the diagram of OR gate. So this is the diagram of OR gate. Now this will give you the AND gate, and this will give you the OR gate. This is AND, and this is what? OR. So finally this is the diagram of what? This is the diagram of XOR gate using NAND gate. Okay, XOR gate using NAND gate. As we draw the block diagram, in that block diagram what we use? We use one NOT gate with AND gate, and with the NOR gate. Okay, with the OR gate. Okay, now here the Boolean equation of this XOR gate is A XOR B, and the equation is A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. So first of all we draw the block diagram. In that block diagram we use one NOT gate with two AND gates and one OR gate. Two NOT gates we require because here A bar and here B bar. So for A bar and B bar we require two and NOT gates, and for this dot and this dot we require two AND gates, and for this plus sign we require OR gate. This diagram is little bit complicated because we have to derive the XOR gate using this NAND gate. So here this is the first NOT gate, this is the second NOT gate, then we want AND gate. So this is the first AND gate, this is the second AND gate, and we want one OR gate. So this is the OR gate. So here we got A, and here we will get A bar. Now this is what? This is the B. Okay, and here we got A, here we got B bar. Then this A bar B. This is what? This is what? This is the AND gate. So here we got A dot B. A bar dot B. So finally here we got A bar dot B. Here A, B bar, and this is the AND gate. So finally here what we get? We got A dot B bar. Okay. Now this term, here we get this term, and here this term we got here. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two terms by ORing these two terms. How we can OR this term? By connecting one OR gate. So we have to connect the OR gate. So here this term and this term is added, and we got this, and finally we got this answer, that is, I am writing answer here, y is equal to A bar dot B plus A B bar, and that is what? That is the equation of XOR gate, and the Boolean equation of XOR gate is A XOR B. So finally we can derive a XOR gate using NAND gate, and this is the diagram of XOR gate using NAND gate, and we can also derive this XOR gate using NOR gate. So this diagram is little bit complicated. First of all, what we have to do? We have to write down the Boolean equation, then we have to write down draw the block diagram, then we have to draw the circuit diagram for this, that is the XOR gate using NAND gate. In this we are using only one type of IC, that is NAND gate IC, because we want to derive a gate, XOR gate, using only the NAND gate. And this is the rough work we draw, and finally this much is the diagram of XOR gate using NAND gate.